Hello, in front of me I've got Shadowverse. In this video I'll tell you what are vials and how to get them. To find your current amount of vials, go to Cards menu. You can find it right here. In this game, vials are key in-game resource, a kind of crafting material that you use to craft new cards for your collection. You predominantly get vials by liquefying or disenchanting cards you don't need or want. Higher rarity cards yield more vials when liquefied. Animated foil cards give even more. To get vials, simply select Liquefy, Manual, and select card you would like to liquefy. To liquefy a card, you have to obtain at least 3. Select Liquefy and here is the amount of vial you will get. Thanks to vials, you can also enchant your cards. Select the card you would like to enchant and select Create. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.